Are you distracted with so many things and finding difficult to concentrate in what is important? Helen de Rossi, a well-known doctor and author, says, "Put yourself wholeheartedly into something and energy grows." It seems inexhaustible. If, on the other hand, you are divided and conflicted about what you are doing, you create anxiety, and the amount of physical and emotional energy consumed by anxiety is exorbitant. Therefore, I am going to give you 4 effective ways to master over anything. First, find a specialty for which you are gifted. For example, ask yourself which is the one area in which you are excellent. It may be singing, dancing, or sports. So that will be your specialty you are gifted with. Second, select work you love. For example, ask yourself what are the things you love to do, or which are the things you enjoy doing. Third, strip away non-essential demands on your time until your schedule reflects your scale of value. It means give your time and energy for the things you have listed important and don't focus on unnecessary things. Fourth, strengthen your power of concentration. You can strengthen your concentration by regular meditation in the morning. Even yoga is said to be helpful in concentration. Thank you for watching the video. If you like such videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.